How to connect iPhone to Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The most fastest and the most reliable way to connect your iPhone to your Mac is by using a USB cable. So simply plug your iPhone into your Mac using the
Your iPhone
USB-C
is
to
charging.
USB-C cable or USB-C to Lightning cable depending on your iPhone. Now, on your iPhone, tap on the Trust This Computer option you see there, and you will be required to enter your passcode. And on your Mac, you can open Finder and look for your iPhone under the Locations tab. You can then go ahead and back up your iPhone or restore software, or you can sync music, movies, books, or you can also view the files. So this was about how you can connect your iPhone to Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.